Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox Unavailable. First, always check the official Roblox server status page to see if there are widespread issues affecting millions of users. Next, ensure your internet connection is stable and working correctly. A quick speed test can confirm this. Finally, a simple restart of your device and your home router can often resolve temporary glitches, taking just a few minutes of your time. If initial checks don't work, try clearing Roblox's cache and temporary files, which can accumulate over time and cause problems. Make sure both Roblox and your operating system are fully updated to their latest versions, as outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. Also, if you're using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it temporarily, as these can sometimes interfere with game connections, preventing access to the platform. Network settings are crucial. Check your firewall or antivirus software to ensure Roblox isn't being blocked. You might need to add an exception for the application. Flushing your DNS and resetting network settings can also resolve connectivity issues by refreshing your internet configuration. If possible, try connecting to a different network, like a mobile hotspot, to rule out problems with your primary connection, which could be affecting dozens of applications. When all else fails, a complete reinstallation of Roblox can often fix persistent problems by providing a fresh start, removing any corrupted files. If the issue continues, don't hesitate to contact Roblox support directly. They have dedicated teams ready to assist you with specific technical challenges. Additionally, checking community forums can provide insights into similar issues and potential solutions from other players, offering valuable troubleshooting tips from thousands of users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.